Means of transportation. Means of transportation. How we travel in Igbo language. What are the means of transportation? We have various means of transportation. We travel by land, we travel by air, we travel by sea. So, in each of them, we have to learn that in Igbo language today. Thank you for following. Thank you for watching my videos. Please, if you have any question, if you have anything you need to learn in Igbo language, please use the comment section. Ask me a question, I will answer you correctly. Okay? All right. Let's start. What are the means of transportation? Ụzọ dị iche iche anyị si eje njem, ọ ụzọ dị iche anyị si aga njem n'asụsụ Igbo. Nke izizi bụ ụgbọala. Ụgbọala. Vehicle, we refer vehicle as ụgbọala. Ụgbọala. Then a vehicle can be a car, can be a bus, can be a truck. That's how we refer them. Ụgbọala. Any means of transportation by land is called ụgbọala. Ụgbọala. Okay? I hope you're getting it. Then ụgbọelu, flight or aeroplane. Ụgbọelu. If you are traveling by air, I'm going by air. M ga-eji ụgbọelu wee jee njem. M ga-eji ụgbọelu wee jee njem. Ma ọ bụ m ga-eji ụgbọala wee jee njem. That I'm traveling by air means you're going to travel by air, means in Igbo language. Eji m ụgbọelu eje. Eji m ụgbọelu eje Lagos. Okay? Like I'm traveling to Lagos by air. Eji m ụgbọelu eje Lagos, or eji m ụgbọelu aga Lagos. Okay? This is the means of transportation in Igbo language. Alright. Then ụgbọ mmiri. Ụgbọ mmiri, ship. Ụgbọ mmiri, ship. If you want to travel by sea, you use ship. Ụgbọ mmiri. Eji m ụgbọ mmiri eje ala bekee. Eji m ụgbọ mmiri eje ala bekee. Like I'm traveling to other country by sea. I'm traveling by sea. Okay? That's how it is. So in Igbo language, you have various means of transportation. There's a local one like bicycle. Bicycle is called anyị. Bicycle is called ịnyịnya igwe. Ịnyịnya igwe. Okay? Then motorcycle. Motorcycle in Igbo is called ọgbatumtum. Ọgbatumtum. Motorcycle in Igbo is called ọgbatumtum. Okay? Then if you want to talk about ship, I've said it earlier. Ship is called ụgbọ mmiri. Ụgbọ mmiri. While aeroplane is called ụgbọelu. Ụgbọelu. Then again, we'll talk about train. We also travel by train. Train in Igbo is called ụgbọ oloko. Ụgbọ oloko. Yeah, in Igbo language, train is called ụgbọ oloko because it comes in coaches. So that's why it's referred like that. That's Igbo language for you. Okay? Bicycle, remember I said is ịnyịnya igwe. Motorcycle, ọgbatumtum. Okay? I hope you followed it. In case next time if you want to say it in Igbo, I'm traveling by road. Eji m ụgbọala eje. I'm traveling by road. Eji m ụgbọala eje. I'm traveling by sea. Eji m ụgbọ mmiri eje. Eji m ụgbọ mmiri eje, or eji m ụgbọ mmiri aga. Okay, eji m ụgbọ mmiri aga. Then if you want to travel by air, eji m ụgbọ elu eje. Eji m ụgbọ elu eje. I'm traveling by air. Okay, I hope you understand it. In case you have any question, please do not hesitate to ask your Igbo teacher. I'm here to let you know, I'm here to, answer your questions so that you can be able to learn Igbo and speak Igbo fluently. Daalụ gị onye ọma njem ọnụ. I know you are understanding me. Like I used to say, Igbo language is our culture, Igbo language is our heritage. Asụsụ anyị bụ njirimara anyị, asụsụ anyị bụ omenala anyị. Let's learn Igbo language. Thank you for watching me today. Thank you. Please kindly subscribe, like, share. Do not forget, subscribe, like, and share this video. Subscribe, like, and share so that those who do not know will know. Those who want to learn will also learn. Thank you for now. Bye.